Have you ever gone somewhere new and wondered what you might find? That feeling of curiosity is what it means to explore. Today's word is explore. Can you say it with me? Explore. Let's spell it together. Ready? E-X-P-L-O-R-E. That spells explore. Explore means to investigate or travel through something to learn about it. It's how we make discoveries and learn more about the world around us. Here are some words that mean the same as explore. Say them with me. Investigate, like looking closely to find out how something works. Discover, like finding something new and exciting. Examine, like studying details to understand them better. Search, like looking for clues or hidden treasures. Study, like learning carefully to find answers or meanings. Each of these words shows how exploring helps us grow and learn new things. Now let's look at the opposites of explore. Ignore, like walking past something interesting without noticing. Overlook, like missing details that could teach you something new. Neglect, like forgetting to look deeper. Avoid, like staying away from new experiences. Skip, like passing up a chance to discover something amazing. That's what happens when we stop exploring. Here's a great example. Sofia loved to explore the forest and discover hidden trails and tiny creatures. Let's review. Explore means to investigate or travel through something to learn about it. Synonyms include investigate, discover, examine, search, and study. Antonyms include ignore, overlook, neglect, avoid, and skip. Exploration makes every day an adventure. Keep looking for new paths. Your challenge: explore a new place, idea, or book today. Look for something exciting. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep your sense of wonder alive. See you tomorrow for another Word Up with Sophia.